Hello. Now, I'm presuming you've already watched my other video about how to play the left hand of the tune I've called Black Key Blues, for fairly obvious reasons. Uh, so in this video we're going to talk about the right hand and about how they fit together, and I might make one more video after that which will be mainly about improvising. Okay, so now I'm going to do two versions of the right hand, one very simple and the other slightly less simple. The simple version is basically one phrase 3 times. Now what stops that being boring is that at the beginning of each phrase there will be a different chord underneath. Let me demonstrate. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the phrase. Notice how on that first note I had a different chord each time. Remember, it's 12 bars. That particular phrase is 4 bars long. And remember, we sort of divide the 4 bars into we divide the 12 bars into 3 4-bar phrases. So let's just look at this 4-bar phrase. So it's all on the black keys, and I'm starting. There are different fingerings you could use. I think probably the best fingering is to start with your 5th finger on E flat and then go 5, 4, 2, like that. Okay? As always, pause the video if you need to and try things out. So we go. Then you move your hand down to there. So it's E flat, D flat, B flat. Then you move, and I recommend 3rd finger on A flat, and then you go 3, 2, 1. Then you move back up. So you do the first 3 notes again, plus that. I'll do that again. I'll do it quite slowly, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the timing of that, it's syncopated. In other words, some of the notes are held across a beat. They start on the and, they start off the beat and are held across. So have a listen how it fits in with the timing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do that once more. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now what I suggest you do next is play that with a very much simplified version of the left hand. Now, by that I mean simply play one note for each bar in the left hand. So it's going to be, I'll remind you of the first note of each bar. So our 3 notes are E flat, A flat and B flat, otherwise known as 1, 4, 5. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember it's 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 5, 4, 1. 1. Now, so putting the hands together, first stage like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just stop there for a moment. Notice that last bit, which is the trickiest bit to get the timing for. It's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2. So the hands don't play together on that last fourth bar. That comes on the and of 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. I'll now play the whole 12 bars like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. You may want to pause the video and try that. Now, next, we're still not going to do the full left hand as I showed you in the other video. We're just going to play those same root notes in the bass, 1, 4, and 5, E flat, A flat, and B flat. But this time we're going to play on every beat instead of just holding them for the 4 beats. So the first 4 bars are going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where the syncopation gets a little bit tricky. I'll do that again. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. What you'll probably find is your left hand tries to play a note at the same time as your right, or vice versa, all the time. A lot of the time they do play together, but some of the notes they don't, because the right hand is playing on the and. Now, one way to do that, break it up a bit and think like this. So our first few notes, that's our first bar. So it's so what I sometimes do to help with this sort of coordination issue is to talk about both right and left. In other words, sometimes both hands play a note together, sometimes the right does, sometimes the left. And the sequence here is both, right, left, left. So think about that. Both, right, left, left. You might like to try it just tapping your hands like that. Both, right, left, left. Both, right, left, left. Then try with both, right, left, left. Once you've got that, the next few notes, the rhythm is exactly the same, just different notes. Both, right, left, left. So taking those 2 bars, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And then we go back here and it starts the same. It's both, right, left, both, right, left. Sorry, I've started doing the other bass. Never mind. We're talking about timing here. So that bars 3 and 4 is both, right, left, both, right, left, 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 left. So that's both, right, left, both, right, left, 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 left. So the 4 bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, both, right, left, left, both, count in numbers instead. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's worth just practicing those first 4 bars until you've got that timing exact, because in this simpler version of the tune, once you've got that, basically you've got the rest. It's just slightly different notes in the left. So if I play the whole 12 bars like that, the counting is exactly the same each time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the left hand going all the time. Now, once you've mastered that timing and how the hands fit together, probably the next step is to put in the proper left-hand part that I showed you in the other video, which hopefully you're quite good at now. Remember, it goes like this. So only the 12th bar is different in that we hold it for the 4 beats. Okay, I'm going to play the whole tune now with that left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the left hand keeps going. The counting as between the hands is exactly the same for each phrase, except at the very end where, having done the final bom bom, we just hold that to show it's the end. Now, I actually think that's enough for this video, so I'm going to, I said I would make 1 more. I will probably make 2 more, because in the next video I'll show you my different phrase for bars 9 to 12. But I suggest you practice what we've done in this first of all and get that coordination really good. All right, so that's the end of this video.